beauties! Welcome back to HIKOCO Channel. Today we have a special guest, Jennifer!
Hi!
So she is my old friend from high school. And why you asked me to do the makeup?
Because I've seen your tutorial and it looks really good.
Alright,
Yeah.
I want to get like a transformation.
Yeah.
So what do you want to look like today?
Yeah.
More like a Korean celebrities, like
Yeah,
pretty.
yeah.
Like her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to use the toner, and this is the soothing gel with the aloe vera. So it actually soothes and calms her skin. With this, the BHA skin toner to compact, and just soaking off. Put this inside the outside. Because it comes with the BHA, so that removes the dead skin cells chemically. So right, and then I use the soothing gel. So this one comes with the Propolis and Aloe vera. So it looks like a gel type. So just a little with it. So just rub it out. And sorry, but patting is really important instead of rubbing it. That's because it will cause us the fine lines. We are going to use the sheet mask to cover her face. So this one is for the brightening with the vitamin C.
Yeah.
So it will give like an instant glow to your skin.
Oh, good.
So applying sheet mask is really good before you're putting on makeup.
Okay.
You just put it up. Just wait about 20 minutes and then we can start our makeup.
Okay.
Maybe you can try our contact lenses, which is 3-cone hazel gold. It gives like more different mood to your your makeup.
Yeah.
So it's part of makeup in Korea. So it's not only for the looking something properly. It's more for fashion, looking good. Okay, so you wear the contacts, right? Okay, so I did a bit of the brow job, so it's clean and nice now. So I try to make it a little bit straight, but not too straight. So as Jennifer's got like a light brown colored hair, not really light, but it's a bit of brownish, and she got a yellow undertones. And what's your eyeball color? It's more like a dark brown color. So I think more coralish orange tones will sit on her. I think the IOPE one is going to be works on your skin. So this one is in between matte and glowy finish. So it's good for everyday use. So I'm doing like really natural makeup on you. So I'm just going to use the cushion foundation to cover, evening out your skin tone.
Okay.
So I'm starting from the inner corner to outer corner. I mean inner side to outside. The reason why I keep patting it is that actually sits in your skin for long last. Otherwise it will be smudging really soon with your sebum and oil. So just keep patting. And that actually brings out all the glow over here. And like the outer side, I'm just gonna leave it as it is because I will blend it in with the contouring. So I'm just gonna do the front. What? And especially around the nose area, just push a little hard. Yep, so this is a first step of doing the cushion foundation. At the moment it looks a little pale, but it's okay, it will be oxidized soon, so just gonna leave it as it is. And around the nose area or mouth area or somewhere else got a discoloration, like a little darker than the other side, I'm just going to use a bit of the concealer to cover it. So one is a lighter, another one is slightly darker. The lighter one goes around your eye area, like a dark circle area about here. And the darker one will cover the discoloration side. Just going to put very little amount.
Is it to cover the dark circle?
Yeah. Just evening out the skin tones. Okay. concealer somewhere else that I need to, and just blend them well with the brush and this cushion. Just blend them in to make it nice and evening out. So this is your base, like a canvas, like a clean canvas, and then we start a bit of the coloring. Today I'm going to use the play color, the neutral tones, which is in the cafe. So I'm just gonna use the big brush to do the base makeup. So I think I'll start with a bit of the light color to see how it goes on your skin tones. Base shadow. So base shadow will be really neutral one, which is this one. So if you're not sure what to go with, you just start with really lighter color. And when you apply, you do like a circular motions instead of smudging like this. So it's blending by itself, and it gives really naturally spread on your skin. So I just put a really light base shadow. You can't actually see the huge difference, but it gives a bit of depth. The second color will be this one. So I'm using same brush. So starting from outer corner of your eye and inner corner of your eye. So it gives more depth to her eyes. And I get same color with a flat brush. So it's got more powers to this one, so it gives more strong colors. So I just leave at the center. It's because where the eyeballs normally sit. Can you look down? Yeah, I just leave it over here as empty because I'm going to put some shimmery shadow at the center, so it makes more roundy almond shapes. I mix these two colors. Don't forget to fill up this area. That makes your eyes to be larger. Use really short sturdy brush like this, and choose some really dark tones like this or this, and I draw the eye lines. Remember those. So I just try to cover her permanent eyeline tattoo. So I just do a bit of contouring with the dark shadows. So they look like a double eyelids, they look like eyeliners, but it's a shadow. So you can see the difference if I did on this side and this side. So this part is like base of eyeshadow. I'm just gonna give a bit of the glitters to eyes, make it more prettier. Like that over here, so we can try some shimmery color. A pen brush. And if you want to get a bit of intense color, like more color, under eye type, so just brighten up under eyes. We call it aegosat. You have a bit of aegosat here, so it makes more fresh looking and younger, kidder looking. Can you look up for me? Right. And just add a bit of the glitter. So I brought a Peripera Twinkle Sugar Shadow. So this is a liquid type of shadow, and that comes with really nice pigmentations and glow. And I'm just gonna use really little amount of it, so I use the cotton buds and the short sturdy brush. So just the inner corner of your eyes. I'm just gonna use the gel eyeliner, which is Tonymoly one.
I've got this.
Oh, do you? Oh, that's
really
good. That's good, then you can use this one. So you just blend the colors and just fill up the inner corner. Yeah, this is eye makeup done. and just a brow and lips, and then that's a bit of contouring as well. So your eyebrow looks already really pretty. You got a lot of hairs already. You don't have to fill it up, but I'm just gonna fill a little bit with the eyeshadow because it gives really natural color. You can see the difference, so it's more soft looking with the brown eyebrow, and that's a natural brow with the black color. So it's better to add some brown to your eyebrow to match your hair color. And the best part is the contouring. So contouring is very important to make your face shape nice.
Important for all Asians.
Oh yeah, as Asians must go step. So just tap it before you apply in your nose shape. And you got quite long nose, so I just get it a little shorter to make a little younger looking. And don't forget to swish over here. And with the remaining on this brush, just blend concealer to make your nose to be a little higher. Just tip of your nose. Alright, so lip color, I'm going to use some coralish pink coral color, so which is a 3CE Shawty and 3C Absol. So I'm using two different colors to do the gradation lips. So in Korea, we're not actually doing like lip liner first. We're doing like from inner corner, inner side to outside to blend them out to make it gradate. And with the remaining lip colors on your hands, I just add a bit of foundation or BB cream to make a blusher. And you have to do it really fast, otherwise it will stain straight after. Yep, so that's all done, and we are coming back with a new hairstyle. Alright, today we do some Korean style makeup on my friend Jennifer. Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it. Looks 10 years, 20 years younger.
Whatever. You look so pretty.
Thanks.
This hairstyle is like really popular these days in Korea. We call it neutral style bang.
Okay.
It's so nice on you.
Thank you.
So cute. Alright. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and if you've got any further questions or requests, please comment down below, and please like us, subscribe us, and stay tuned.
Bye.